Hey guys, this is just going to be a quick video. I don't know if you can see me, but hi, how you doing? Um, so this is a follow-up video to one of the questions I had on my YouTube page, or a comment that was saying what happens when the Snugger Arms comes in, what happens when a Lego piece goes in this way instead of this way to get centered. So I slowed down the Snugger and I slowed down the conveyor. I just ran out of time right now to have the motion sensor stop the conveyor. I guess I could have write a quick code to stop the conveyor a few increments, for like a few milliseconds and then going, but it's late. I'm tired, so I'm just gonna do a quick run where I have the conveyor constantly in run with the Python script and the Snugger Arms come in. Also, I have the other Raspberry Pi with the camera looking down at the Snugger Arms, so you see the screen, the arms are coming in. That's the camera right here looking down of the Snugger Arms coming in and out. And that Snugger Arms are just to center the Lego piece for the camera to grab a quick picture of it and then send it on its way. So that's just for cataloging. So, alright, so first I'm going to send it the way I sent before in the other video. So I send it that way. It gets squared up. Let me get a good angle here. Alright, and now the question in the video was what happens when I send it in this way. So, ready, let me time this. Let me square it one more time. There we go. Let's do it again. So I'm going to turn it just a little bit this way, see what happens. Oh, it squared it up. I want to do it one more time where it's slightly at an angle. So, here we're going to go again. Like I said, I'm going to write a script to have it sensed by the ultrasonic sensor here to stop the conveyor. When it's at this distance, it's going to stop the conveyor and center the Lego piece. So let me do it again. Alright, and I'll do it sideways. See, oh good, it did it. It snugged it. Alright, I didn't turn on this conveyor yet. I just don't see any reason for this quick demonstration. So everything's wired in. All the conveyors are wired up. They wired through this Raspberry Pi to these H bridges, which are motor drivers, which are powered by 12 volts. Actually, it's not a set power supply. I have the power supply that has a slider switch so I can try different voltages. And this is one way that I slowed down the conveyor, because usually these motors run at 9 volts. Right now I'm running them at 5 volts on the slider switch. So it's slowing everything down. So it's, that's how I did a quick and dirty method of slowing down the conveyor. I could do it with the code, but like I said, it's late and I just want to do a quick demo. So let me do it again, because this is kind of entertaining. I'm just trying to get the best angle and the best timing to get this. So let me see. That squares that up, sends it on its way to the next conveyor. Great. All right, I'm gonna do it long ways, and it squared it up. So that's what happens. So that was your question on the answer to your comment on YouTube. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for leaving comments and likes. I really do appreciate it. I just feel like I just want to demonstrate this all day. See it get squared up. Oh, you got actually flipped, but something I'll need to work out. But yeah, definitely keep. If you have any ideas or any kind of cool solutions, I'm all ears. I'd like the feedback. So once again, I'm just going to keep putting Lego pieces in there just for aesthetic, or it's very, I don't know, it's just, to me, it's very appeasing to see Lego pieces go through a section that I built and see it work. So it's just alright, the orange piece is the last piece. So I'm kind of rambling and I'm mumbling. It's late, so that's it, guys.